Hello viewers, today you will learn about the alphabet and sounds in English language. So as you all know that we have 26 alphabet in English language. This is alphabet, not alphabets, because alphabet is a collection of letters which is called alphabet. So in English language we have 26 alphabet, and out of these 26 alphabet, the 21 are consonant letters while the remaining 5 are vowel letters. So the 5 vowel letters are A, E, I, O, U. Now according to IPA means International Phonetic Alphabet. International Phonetic Alphabet, which is based on International Phonetic Association. According to this IPA, the total number of sounds in English language are 44 in number. These 44 sounds are classified into two groups. One is called consonant sounds, while the second one is called vowel sounds. So out of these 44 sounds, 24 are consonant sounds while the 20 are vowel sounds. Now these vowel sounds are classified into two groups. One is called pure vowels, also called monophthongs, while the second category is called diphthong, also called glides. So here is the classification of the 44 vowel sounds and consonant sounds in English language. This classification is based on IPA, which means International Phonetic Alphabet. So the total number of sounds are 44 in number. 24 are consonant sounds while 20 are vowel sounds. These vowel sounds are classified into two groups. One is called monophthongs and the second one is called diphthongs. These monophthongs are also called pure vowel sounds, and these diphthongs are also called glides. These pure vowel sounds are classified into two groups: long vowel sounds and short vowel sounds. So the 7 are short vowel sounds while the 5 are long vowel sounds. The diphthongs are also long vowel sounds. So the 5 pure vowels means monophthongs and 8 diphthongs are long vowel sounds. Thank you so much.